let's go ahead and put links inside of our web page. Okay, so what you want to do is open up your folder, right? So just wherever you left off last class, and then you're going to double click on this, which will open it up in the browser. Not that one, sorry. That will open up in the browser, so you'll have that, okay? And then also right click on this and just open with Visual Studio Code, okay? And then you should end up with your Visual Studio Code part, okay? And that way we'll just click back and forth between our document here and our web page, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off and just go ahead and make a just a generic kind of link just so you can see how it works. Now I don't have multiple pages inside of my web page, right? We only made one. We just did the index. We haven't done any sub pages. We just did the home page. So I'm just going to do a direct link to another website from here. But you know, in the next one we'll do sub pages, and you'll see how that works. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and I want to actually place it right after cone, but before this section. So I'm going to put the link right there. So what we're going to do is after the H1, I'm going to hit enter, and it's A, then href, okay? Let me zoom in a little bit to make sure you guys can see it. A href, and then I need to put in the web page. So what I would suggest, whatever web page you want to do for yours, you want to go to the web page itself, and let me just click off. Just go like that, and I just want you to copy it. So I'm just going to highlight, select it, even if you know it's like google.com, but just type it in, get to Google or wherever it is, copy it, and then paste it between the two quotes. And what you're going to see is that there's actually quite a bit more to it than just this part that you would have thought to write, okay? And that's because it's, this is what it reads, right? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and then the S stands for security, okay? You want to be on websites that have the S. And then the colons and 2 forward slashes, all right? So just make sure you put that in there. Then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to close that, all right? And then inside, right, the content that gets wrapped by the link here, the anchor, is going to be whatever you want it to be. So in this case, this is my demo reel. So I'm just going to put demo reel like so. And then I'm going to save that. So I'm going to hit Control S or go File Save, or do Command S if you're on a Mac. And then we'll go into here. I'm going to hit Control R or Command R, or you can hit F5, and there will be the link. And if I click on this, you're going to see it's going to go ahead and it's going to open up this web page. Okay. So that's how you make a very basic, this is an absolute URL, but this will make a very basic link, okay? What we want to do now is make some other links just so you can see how to make other ones. Okay, so as another example, let's take something that we already have. So I was thinking down here where I say, right now he's teaching this class and writing this crummy biography. Let's go ahead and wrap class. I'm going to make that a link, and I'm just going to link it right to class 3, and literally the web page we're on right now, what you're looking at the moment. So we're just going to go ahead and do an A and then href, and then it's going to have the quotes. I'm going to go back here, and then I'm just going to type in my website. We're going to go to here. I'm going to wait till it pops up. Then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that, Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac. And then inside of here, I'm just going to do Control V or Command V if you are on a PC or Mac. And for whatever reason, it got rid of class. So I'm just going to rewrite class into this. There we go. And then we will save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and, that's not the one. I don't need this one anymore. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to refresh this. I'm going to open the web page back up, and now you'll see that is now a link. Okay. Now what I want to show you, the reason I'm making a point about this is that notice that the anchor, that the hyperlink is inline. It's not a block level, which means it's like a span. It's not like a div, where wherever you put it, it won't start on a new line. It will stay in line with everything else. It'll stay with the regular flow. It doesn't interrupt anything. It's not going to start this on a new element. So you can put them in between, just as I did right here. Okay. So that would be a very basic how you would make a couple of links. Okay. A couple of hyperlinks, more specific.